Welcome to the Bead Bar in Orlando, Florida. My name is Sonia, and I'm here in part for Expert Village, and today we're going to talk about crystals, which are wonderful. If anybody likes sparkle, nothing sparkles like a crystal. There's a couple of different types of crystals. You have crystals that come from China. We have crystals that come from the Czech Republic, and the most coveted are the crystals that come out of Austria, the Swarovski crystals, which I love. We've got a couple of different crystals here on the table for you to look at. There's many different shapes that the crystals are available in. You've got your cubes. They'll come in all different sizes and colors. That is called a bicone shape. Now these crystals here that I'm holding are from the Czech Republic, and that's also in the bicone shape. And over on this side we have the Swarovski crystals. The pricing of the crystals is going to depend on size, shape, and finishes. On this particular one here, this is a bicone. The color is jet with a Aurora Borealis finish ×2. So it's completely coated all the way around the crystal there. Now you can see how those shine. I mean, the crystals, the Austrian crystals are absolutely beautiful. Here's a round shape here in the peridot. And two, you can see that the prices are going to be affected. 30 cents here, 95 cents a piece there. This is a bicone that has just a partial of the Aurora finish on it. So you can see that it's not completely coated in that finish, just partially. Give you a little bit of a rainbow effect there. And of course we like to show you a finished product with the crystals. You may even find that you've got some of these crystals sitting in your jewelry box. If you do, you may decide to maybe restring them, freshen up the look a little bit. That's always doable and a lot of fun. Over here we have some of the little starfish shapes. And snowflakes, hearts, little seashell there. The wonderful thing about the crystals is that you can mix them also with all kinds of other different beads. They always look fabulous. The one that we did earlier, we actually threw in a few crystals in with freshwater pearls. So if you find that your piece needs to have a little bit of a lift, always think of the crystals because they're definitely going to do that for you.